Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first concrete actions. Install VS Code and the language runtime you need, then open your project folder so files are visible in the Explorer. Once done, install the official extensions for your language and Git support. Make sure you create a VSCode/settings. JSON for workspace defaults. This saves time across machines. Now you have an environment ready, so proceed to configure the editor and key extensions for efficient coding. You now configure behavior and start coding with intent. Set format on save, tab size, and linting rules so code stays consistent. That avoids style debates later. Create launch. JSON to run and debug in tasks. JSON to automate build or test commands. Use the integrated terminal for commands and split editor to compare files. Multi-cursor drastically speeds edits. Once you've coded changes, stage and commit in source control or via Git in the terminal. This work you finish by validating and finalizing your work. Run tests and step through failing tests with breakpoints so you understand root causes. Add or refine unit tests where needed. Commit and push with a clear message, then open a pull request for review. If things go wrong, first check the output and developer tools logs. Make sure extensions aren't conflicting. If necessary, restart VS Code with disable extensions to isolate the issue. Then re-enable extensions one by one to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.